Ugadi is a joyful festival celebrated in India in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and certain parts of Karnataka. This festival marks the beginning of spring season. As per Hindu mythology, Brahma, the creator, has created this beautiful world on this very special day. This festival symbolizes all the different life experiences. Thus, on this day, many households prepare a dish called Ugadi Pachadi using 6 distinct flavors of taste, namely spice, sweet, sour, bitter, salt, and pungent. It signifies different emotions of life like anger, happiness, unpleasantness, sadness, fear, and surprise. I wish you all a very happy Ugadi.